Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum dear student. Yesterday we talked about hybridization. Today's lecture is isomerism. Now what is isomerism? In two or more compounds, they are having same molecular formula but different structural formulas and properties. They are said to be isomers and phenomena is called isomerism. Now this is the tree for the isomerism and its branches. Here we are having two branches of isomerism, that is structural isomerism and stereoisomerism. Structural isomerism, in which the isomers differ in the arrangement of atoms within the molecule. Actually the two molecules which are having the same molecular formula, ठीक है. So what happened कि आपके पास तो दो different compounds है, उनका same molecular formula होगा but उनके structural formulae different होंगे. Similarly, what is the stereoisomerism? It has two types: geometrical isomerism and optical isomerism. In geometrical isomerism, what we will see that isomers differ in their spatial arrangement and isomers differ in the arrangement of atoms in 3D space, which create mirror image of each other. Now let us discuss structure. Chain isomerism, that isomerism which arises due to difference in the nature of carbon chain. Now you can look at over here that this is normal butane and butane, and this is the structure of isobutane. In the structure of N-butane, you will see that here we are having 1, 2, 3 and 4 carbon atom in a straight chain. Now if we remove methyl group from here and insert this methyl group over here at this hydrogen atom and remove this hydrogen atom and insert over this carbon atom, then we will get this structure. This structure is called as isobutane, or its other name is 1, 2 and 3 2-methyl butane. Okay, if we see the molecular formula of both, then that will be the same: 1, 2, 3 and 4 carbon atom here. So we are having here 3 you will say that we are having here 4 carbon atoms and 1, 2, 3, 3, 6, 3, 9 and 1, 10. C4H10 is the formula of this molecule. Similarly, C4H10 is the formula of this molecule. Same is the case with N-pentane, normal pentane. This is the pentane chain, one pentane chain of hydrocarbons, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So this is an aliphatic saturated alkane. Its molecular formula is C5H12. Now you will see here we are having one methyl group removed from the end of the branch, end of the chain, and attach it as a side branch to the main chain of the hydrocarbon. Now main chain is reduced to butane and the methyl group is attached at second position. So this is isopentane. This is its common name, but its IUPAC name is 2-methyl butane, having molecular formula C5H12. Now this is neopentane, and other arrangement of this normal pentane, or you can say another arrangement of 5 carbon atoms of the aliphatic straight chain. This is neopentane, which is also called as 2,2-dimethyl propane. So isomers, they differ in the nature of the carbon chain. You will see here that we are having the same number of carbon atoms, hydrogen atoms, but only the nature of the chain has changed. This is branch chain, this is the straight chain compound. So we say this is chain isomerism, and the two compounds, or now 3 compounds, they are set as isomers of each other. Position isomerism. Position isomerism that arises due to difference in the position of the same functional group on the carbon chain. Now this is butene, because it is having one double bond here, so it belongs to the branch alkenes, and 1, 2, now double bond is present at carbon number 1, so we will say it 1-butene, and now 1, 2, 3 and 4, we again are having 4 chain carbon atoms, but the double bond, the position of double bond has changed, that is at now second position. So this is 2-butene. So the position of the same functional group means the two compounds which will have the same functional group, but the position of the functional group is changed, then this is called as position isomerism. Next is functional group isomerism. Obviously name, it is indicated by the name that the functional group may be changed on the compound, but the molecular formula will be the same. For example, we are having here dimethyl ether, where this is oxygen which show an ether linkage with two alkyl groups, that is methyl group, and the molecular formula of this compound is C2H6O. Now ethyl alcohol, C2H6 and OH. Now this is alcoholic functional group, and this is ethereal linkage of through oxygen with methyl group. So if we will see the molecular formula of both the compound, that is the same, but their functional groups are different, so we will say these are the functional group isomers of each other. Metamerism. Metamerism is a special property that belongs to special class of compounds like ethers and ketones. Ether linkage, as you have seen that oxygen linkage with the alkyl chains. Okay, now you will see here that the number of carbon atom on both sides of oxygen are 2, means we are having ethyl group here and ethyl group here, as we have already discussed what is ethyl group. So this is again, now look at here, the functional group oxygen is here for ethers, and here we are having 1 carbon methyl and the 3 carbon chain on another side. You will see here that here we are having equal number of carbon atoms on both sides. Here we are having 1 carbon on one side and 3 on the other side. So the molecular formula of both the ethers will be same, but you will see that the chain of carbon atom on either side of the functional group is different. Such type of isomers are called metamers of each other. Same can be seen with the in the ketones. Now you will have here, this is carbonyl group of the ketone, and 2 carbon atoms chain, that is ethyl chain on both sides. Now here we are having 1 methyl chain and 1 propyl chain on the other side. So molecular formula of both the compounds will be same, but their structural formula is different. So they are structural isomers, or you will say they are metamers of each other. Tautomerism. Sometimes we have seen that that the isomerism exists in the molecules, but it can also exist in the ions. For example, in case of amino acids, as you have already read in biology, that amino acid, they make proteins. Here we are having one general formula of an amino acid, because I have written here R. So what is this? This is an amino acid. Now if we transfer a proton from here to this ammonia or this amino group, then we will get ammonium ion and oxalate ion over here. This is oxalate ion. So in the same molecule we have 2 ends, that is a negative end and a positive end. Such type of ions are called Sweeter ions, which we will discuss later in chapter number 13, carboxylic acids. Now in case of geometrical isomerism, this is another type of isomerism in which the 3D position or the position of the groups change in space. The compounds having same structure formula but different with respect to the position of the identical group in space are called cis-trans isomers. Now look at the first compound. This is cis-2-butene, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now this is at number 2 carbon atom we are having alkene group. So this is 2-butene. Now the identical group means same group. Methyl groups, they are present on the same side of double bond. So this compound is called cis compound, and the identical group, that is methyl group, they are present in the opposite direction, or you will say one above the double bond and one below the double bond, and now this is called as trans 2-butene. Both compounds are having same molecular formula, but the position of or arrangement of identical groups above and below the double bond has changed. So if the same group are present on the same side of double bond, they are said as cis compound. If the same or identical group are present on the opposite side of double bond, they are said as trans compound. So we are having here cis butene and trans 2-butene. Now this is another example of now what is this? 1, 2 and 3. It is propane, or due to double bond it is propene. At position 1 we have bromo group, and at position 2 we are having chloro group. So this is 1 bromo 2 chloropropene. Now if you will see that halogens, bromine and chlorine, they are present on both sides on the same side of the double bond. So these are called cis compound, and here you will see that bromine and chlorine, they are present on opposite side of the double bond, so they are called as trans compound. Okay, now this is again in case of pentene 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Here at carbon number 2 we have double bond, so this is 2 pentene, and because methyl and ethyl group, these are alkyl groups, or you can say identical groups, they are present on the opposite direction, or you will say here if you will say that hydrogen and hydrogen both are identical, so they are at opposite position with each other or at an angle of 180 degree, they will be said as trans 2 pentenes, and this is called as cis 2 pentene. Now this is all about isomerism. Thank you.